share to us?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
I think help to patient and staff, mainly
Mhm.
nursing staff and the doctors, everyone to help.
Yes. Okay.
That's I think.
That, that's a good idea po. All right. Now, all of your ideas that you share to us is right, no? But when it comes to assisting, the nurse should be complete, no? It should be a registered nurse. And we just not say nurse, no? So, because there is a nurse in the hospital that is not registered nurse. So, we have to assist the registered nurse and the doctor, right? By the way, did you see uh, the topic that we have today in your monitor? Did you see some? Did you see the topic in your monitor?
Can no share screen, sir?
Yeah, the general nursing assistant. Do you have in your ano? Do you have
No, sir.
in your cell phone?
The first link that you share.
Yeah, yeah. You can go to the module one.
Yeah, I see that one. I have.
Okay, everybody have a in your monitor, because you need to also to see that one to for you to read, no, also. Everybody has, huh? Everybody has.
Sir, I don't have.
It's uploaded in
Uh,
our Google Class.
Ah,
uh, uh, he said on the Google class, Mara, I think will provide that.
Google Classroom.
Yeah, can you
I think
search it?
this one, sir, right, in the Google Classroom.
Just join
This
the class,
one.
ma'am. Click join the class.
Okay. I thought I hope that everybody has the copy, you know.
I send in the group, sir. That's the one.
Yeah, that the JNA modules.
Yes, this is the
Okay.
one.
How about you, Sir Ranil? Do you have also in your cell phone? Unmute your mic, Sir Ranil.
Yeah, downloading now. Great.
Okay, very good. Okay. So, as you will read there is entry requirements. Okay? Everybody see that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, it says here that the trainees or students wishing to enroll in this course should possess the following requirements. Right? The first one, can you read the number one, Ma'am Sherilyn?
Trainees can communicate both in oral and written form.
Okay. But as a general nursing assistant, you must be you must can communicate both in oral and written form. Uh, what is this all about? Means to say you can communicate on your environment in oral and in written. I hope everybody know how to read, to write English and speak English and understand the English, right? So this is not an issue for us. What important here is, as a general nursing assistant or as a nursing assistant, we must know how to communicate properly, both in oral and written form. The example of this is that, for example, your patient is bedridden, and sometimes and the patient has memory loss. All right, the patient cannot communicate to you properly. He cannot speak because she didn't understand, or he didn't understand what you're saying, because he has a memory loss. Means as a nursing assistant, you need to do something to communicate with your patient. Like what? For communication, you can show some images for your patient to recall, or what are you trying to say to your patient. Okay? Did you understand what I'm trying to say about this communication and written form? No, we can make a way just to communicate with your patient, especially if your patient has a memory loss. They cannot understand now what you are going to tell your patient. So in that way, we can use some images or some pictures just to tell your patient what are you trying to tell your patients. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Yeah. Now the second one, physically and mentally fit. All right. Of course, we are nursing assistant. We must be a physical and mentally fit. How we can give a loving, tender care to our patient if we are ill and we are not physically fit, right?
Yes.
Right.
Oh, so we must be sure that before we go to our patient, we are physically and mentally fit. Okay, that is nothing issue about that, because all of us will go to that work. Our self is physically and mentally fit. So there's no issue about that. Number 3 is with good moral character and can perform basic mathematical computation. I think naman all of you has know how to compute 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, right? This is very important also. There's no issue about this one, right, Mr. Ranil?
Yes,
Right.
understood.
All right. Okay. So we don't have any issue about these things, no? But it must be to be a nursing assistant. All these qualification we should have these
Yeah.
characters and requirements. Okay. All right. Learning objectives. Number 1 is perform basic nursing care. How will you perform basic nursing care, Miss from the office? Wala kasing name mo dito. How will you perform basic nursing care?
To take care of the patient, give assist about her medication and hygiene,